but auto-comment video on multiple TikTok accounts. Hello everyone and welcome back to Martech Lab. Today, I would like to introduce a feature that allows you to automatically comment on TikTok videos. This tool helps increase your engagement significantly and improves your chances of getting recommended on the platform. With the ability to manage an unlimited number of TikTok accounts within the software, you can drive massive interaction to any video you target. If you are interested in this feature and would like to use the software, please message me for installation support and guidance.